man with Dylan.
Ding, 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 ding. Oh my God.
He's always in here, and he's always our server
Ding, ding, ding.
at dinner.
Very good coffee. Ding, ding, coffee. Oh my God. It's hot like me.
Let's not get carried away,
Cream
Dylan.
with sugar. Oh my God. Ding, ding, ding. Enjoy your coffee. Ding, ding, ding. Bye.
Hi, Dylan. What's your favorite YouTube channel? And don't say ding, ding, ding.
Oh my God. Party too cozy.
There you go. Right?
Ding, ding, ding. Oh my God.
Good morning.
Good morning. We're already up on the pool. It's about 9 o'clock. Already had breakfast, and I am actually reading my book club book. I want to try to finish it today.
She's trying to study for her book club.
But I want to finish reading it today. It's already really, really hot.
Yes.
So we'll see. Pat's not going to last out here, but another
Oh, I'm
minute
not.
or two.
As a matter of fact, I just came out here to tell her I'm going to be going down on deck 4.
No, not the casino already.
Yeah.
Don't be talking crazy with that.
I won last night again. So we're doing good. We just got to make it last 8 more days. Because normally this is a sad day, but it's an okay day today. All right, and we'll bring you that back-to-back stuff. It works the same way as it did. I showed you that before, but works the same way. All right, so I'm going down to win some money, and she's going to read her little bookie.
Finish my book out in the sun.
All right.
Very nice.
See ya.
Bye-bye.
Where are we going?
We're actually going to the Platinum Diamond Party. It starts at noon today. I came out in the sun for this. But we're just going, it's a little celebration for Platinum and Diamond members. So we went to the Diamond Luncheon, now we're going to this. Should be fun.
It takes an act of Congress to get her out of the sun, so she must be excited about the Diamond Platinum Party.
We'll see.
All right.
All right.
See you there.
Bye.
We've got the sexiest captain deemed of the 7 seas. Mr. Manley, make some noise for Captain Paolo Salvini!
You wouldn't know there was a hurricane out here just a couple of days ago. Nice and calm seas again. Babe, where are we going?
We're having lunch at, what's it called, the Cappuccino's?
Cucini del Capitano.
That's what I said.
For lunch.
And we're going to have spaghetti, his very, 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 very favorite.
It is.
Yeah, but it's very busy up here. It's more crowded than I've ever seen it for lunch.
And the ships are
Better be
rocking and
good.
rolling, but the seas look flat.
It better be good because I came out of the sun.
No, she came out of the sun for the party.
What party? Nobody went to a party.
All right, we'll bring it to you.
Bye.
All right, there we go. That door keeps moving because we're rocking. We're rocking and a rolling. All right, babe, where are we going?
I'm going to go see what that one looks like. We're going to dinner, and I found a duck.
She got a duck.
I found a duck. Don't tell people.
She put one duck up there.
I
She
put
found
that
it,
one
but she
back,
put it
and
back.
I put it back, and then I traded it for this one because he's so cute. But we're going to dinner. We'll let you know how it is.
All right,
Here you go.
bring you that menu right about.
Now.
I got the minestrone, Caesar salad. Terry got the fried green tomatoes.
With ketchup.
Max got shocker
Ketchup.
spaghetti.
Got it. Asian salad. Asian salad.
Asian salad. She's got the
Enchiladas.
enchiladas, and I got the jerk pork chop.
have done our best to serve you this cruise. We have done this for you. And then
For dessert, we got baked Alaska.
Oh yeah.
Baked Alaska. Mac, we got
They're spoiling me. They gave me 2 scoops of each.
Two big ones.
enough for a sink of battleship. Rocking and a rolling. Seas do not look that rough, but you see the swells. This thing's bouncing. There's a lot of snoozing signs on doors. It's almost 7:30. Oh, good evening. It's the last
The last night of this cruise.
Of this
And I'm so happy because we don't have to get on tomorrow.
Nope.
Just happy.
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 Alright, so
Not a lot going on in the cruise tonight,
No.
actually.
it's the last night, so they don't do a whole lot. Love and Marriage show, but we've seen it a million
We
times.
missed it, actually. We were going to go, then we waited too late.
Someone was in the casino winning money,
Oh, I won.
and someone was in the
I won over
casino
$100.
losing money.
We lost over $100.
I lost 800.
800.
800. Alright, anyway, so we'll see you tomorrow on embarkation
So we
day.
gotta go pack up our room because we do have to move to the other room for the next cruise. So we gotta pack up a little bit, but that's it.
Yep, that's
Don't
it.
move all of our luggage.
Yep. And we don't have to get up. Well, we gotta get out, just not real early.
Yeah. So we're
right.
getting ready to sit here, listen to the band for a few minutes, and drink our martini. Party to Christmas.
Right this way. Oh, and by the way, I had almost 9,000 points in the casino. What'd they give me, babe?
Nothing, but you gave them a lot of.
I didn't. I'm ahead.
You know how many points I got? 200.
She'll probably get a free cruise while I got one.
Probably.
All right. Again, see ya.
Bye.
Celebrate